Hi guys. Welcome to IDX3 Tutorials. In this video I will teach you how to solve the problem if your 3D printer is not showing you information and image about the object being printed. When I first set up the printer, there was a file on the card that showed information about it when printing. However, when I loaded the second file through the Cura software, it didn't show any information about what it was printing. After researching, I came up with a very simple solution. In Cura software, open Marketplace. Then type Neptune into the search box. When this plugin appears, click Install. Then accept and quit Ultimaker Cura. Next time you start Cura software, everything will be ready and every file you slice will show information on the screen. This solution applies to all Elegoo Neptune printers. I hope this video helped you. For more tutorials, please like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye.